Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to solve first four sum of exercise 11.3 from chapter 11 perimeter and area. But before solving exercise, let's see some important formula from this section. Important formula: the distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. Here R is equal to radius, D for diameter, C for circumference and A for area. Now value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14. Student, the value of pi is derived from the C upon D. C means circumference and D means diameter of a given circle. Now formula for diameter: D is equal to 2 into radius, in short 2r. Formula for circumference: C is equal to pi into D is equal to 2 pi r. Area of a circle A is equal to pi r square. It's clear everyone? Very good. Please remember all these formula. First sum of exercise 11.3. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Here value of pi is given, that is 22 by 7. A. Radius is equal to 14 centimeter and value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now substitute the value is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. After simplifying this, we will get 82 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of a given circle is 88 centimeter. Now B, radius is equal to 28 millimeter, value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now circumference is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. After simplifying this, we will get 176 millimeter. Therefore, circumference of given circle is equal to 176 millimeter. It's clear everyone? Now try to solve the C by yourself as a homework. Thank you. Sum number 2. Find the area of the following circle. Given that, now value of pi is again 22 by 7. A. Radius is equal to 14 millimeter and value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Now substitute the value is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. After simplifying this, we will get 616 millimeter square. Therefore, the area of the given circle is equal to 616 millimeter square. Now B, diameter is 49 meter. Student, here diameter is given, so we have to first find out the radius. Therefore, the radius is equal to D by 2 is equal to 49 by 2. Now value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Now substitute all the values is equal to 22 by 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. After simplifying this, we will get 1886.5 meter square. Therefore, the area of the given circle is equal to 186.5 meter square. It's clear everyone? Now try to solve the C by yourself as a homework. Thank you. Sum number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also, find the area of the sheet. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Solution. Here given circumference of the circular sheet is equal to 154 meter. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 154 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154. Therefore, r is equal to 154 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. After simplifying this, we will get the value of r is equal to 24.5 meter. Now we have to find the area of the circular sheet. Therefore, area of circular sheet is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 24.5 into 24.5. After simplifying this, we will get the area of a circular sheet is equal to 1886.5 meter square. Thus, the radius and area of the circular sheet are 24.5 meter and 1886.5 meter square respectively. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Sum number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also, find the cost of the rope if its cost is rupees 4 per meter. Now solution. A given diameter of the circular garden is equal to 21 meter. Therefore, radius of the circular garden is equal to d by 2 is equal to 21 by 2 meter. Now of circular garden is equal to 2 pi r. Substitute all the value is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2. After simplifying this, we will get 66 meter as the circumference of a circular garden. The length of rope required for one round is equal to circumference of the circular garden. Now gardener makes 2 rounds of fence. So the total length of rope for fencing is equal to 2 into 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 66 is equal to 132 meter. Since the cost of 1 meter of rope is equal to 4 rupees, therefore the cost of 132 meter of rope is equal to 4 into 132 is equal to 528 rupee. Therefore, the cost of rope required is rupees 528. It's clear, everyone? Very good.